Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to compare the Archer C54 with the Archer C64 and I'm going to show you some important things that you need to know about both. So first thing first, when you're going to look here on the Wi-Fi speed, we can clearly see that 2.4 GHz got a little bit better the speed comparing to the C54 by 100 margin. So here in the specifications when you're going to check it out, so here you're going to have 3 megabytes on the C54. And here you're gonna have 4 megabytes. And then both got same range, same capacity, everything, but you can have also airtime fairness with the RC64. That's something you don't have with C54. Then working mode, you have 4 modes, most the same. But you can have range extender mode here. Network security is a little bit better by the C54, but not much. Then also the Wi-Fi encryption is better for C54. And then if you're in ports, you're gonna have better for, look at here, for the C64. So if you need better 2.4 GHz speed, and if you need actually like LAN ports for, let's say, a connection to your PC, because here you're gonna have 10 to 100, that's it. That's pretty bad. So also processor is better, and all the other things are a tie, and also DDNS is better for Archer C64. And storage temperature is like all the other things are literally the same, but just be aware of the network security working mode and Wi-Fi encryption for the C54. But then C64 got better Wi-Fi speed, and you're gonna have processor and more Ethernet ports. So have a great day and goodbye.